Hey everyone, it's your girl Star, and today I'm back with another video. Now today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to make fluffy slime the regular size. So let's get right on with this tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing you will need is a Tupperware. I got mine from the dollar store because it does not need to be expensive. The second thing you need is foaming soap. I prefer the Mint because you can find more foaming. Then you need school glue, Elmer's glue. And then, I don't know why I showed you this again, but I did. So, the fourth thing you will need is hand soap, scented preferably, so it gives a good smell. Then the fifth thing is food coloring. If you want it to be colored, this is good because you can mix the colors. I got primary, so you can mix the colors and it'll create a different color. So, for an example, red and blue makes purple. So then the sixth thing you need is borax solution. I just dissolved about 2.5 tablespoons of borax into warm water, and then I keep it in a water bottle to squirt out. So let's get on with this video. So now I am just emptying the bottle of glue into my Tupperware, and I gotta make sure I get all of it out. So here I'm just showing you me getting it all out because I feel like that's important. So once you empty the bottle of glue, you need to add shaving cream. The amounts in this tutorial all depends on how you prefer your slime to be. The more shaving cream, the fluffier, the less fluffy. So I just use about half the amount of glue that I used. You just need to be careful because this does foam up and it becomes bigger than how you put it. So then you just stir, and I'm sure you guys know how to do that. And if you do hear things in the background, that is my mom and sister. You cannot quiet down a baby girl. So after adding the foaming shaving cream, you need to add the hand soap. So I use about 3 to 4 pumps because I like mine stretchy, which like I said, the amounts all depends on how you like it. The more, the stretchier, the less stretchy. And the more glue you add, the more other ingredients you need. So here I noticed that I add about like 3 colors, but the first color I add is a green, and this is gel food coloring. I was trying to come out with like a light bluish green, if you understand. So here I'm just mixing the green color. Here I am adding the yellow and mixing in the yellow with the green. And that was my mom. And then I added blue food coloring and mixed it in with the green and yellow. But then this gave me a color that I didn't really want, so I added another color, which was yellow. I didn't put on camera, but I added yellow. So mom again. So the last thing you need to add is the borax solution. This just bonds all of the ingredients together. So I just guesstimated, honestly, more sticky, the less borax, less sticky, the more borax you use. So I add a little bit at a time, start mixing, add more, and then I finally start to knead it. Here you can see that it's all bonding together. And then I added more, which you can see that there's none left in the container. And then here is when I start to knead it together on the table. Which you can knead it in your hands, but I prefer to knead on the table and then in my hands. So, here we go. I just put it on the table and then pick it up. And obviously this is not how you want it to come out. You just need to knead it so it all collects together. Hi, Abigail. That's my baby sister. Okay, so now this is obviously too tacky, so I'm just going to add a bit more borax. And I noticed when I was pulling it apart, it wasn't as stretchy as I wanted it to be. So, do you know what you do if it's not stretchy enough? And then here I'm just, Abigail, here I am just cleaning off my butter knife with slime. You want to say hi to everyone? Say hi. Say hi. Ow.
Hi, Woody.
So I'm just going to pick up all the slime from my container because I want to clean it. So yeah, I love it because it cleans itself. So I guess I just really liked showing you guys me playing with the slime. It is probably a little bit boring, but you know, I just wanted to show you all the things you can do with it. Okay, Abigail. Excuse me. So I did end up adding more soap off camera so it'd become a little bit more stretchy. But yeah, so here I'm making a bubble. And if you do not know, you just stretch it out and then you blow into it and then fold it over. Excuse me. And then I'm just stretching it. Hey guys, all the things you can do. And right now I'm going to bake. Apparently I'm going to sneeze. Okay, here I am making the swirl and then poke it so it is easier to make the bubble. So you basically lift it up and then you stretch it and then you blow into it and then it makes a bubble. That one was small because it ripped, but I've made huge ones. And if you want to go see them, go check it out on my Instagram at Stop Now. Self-promo, promo. Wow, that bubble was weak. Back in the container because I was done playing with it and I was done showing you guys how to make it. So that's what it looks like. And then, oh yeah, I got slime. And then, yeah, that's all it is to making fluffy slime. Alright guys, that was the video, and I hope it was helpful. And yeah, like always, please give me a big thumbs up so I know you like it and you want to see more from me. And subscribe down below to help a girl out. Bye guys. Mwah.